Penalty.
Yeah, good, yeah, 170.
Did you?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Great. Is that?
Yeah, it's got like
Magic.
good standard as well.
Oh yeah.
So like I got to right.
And who won it?
Josh Lally.
Oh yeah, he's a good rider.
Yeah, can't be able to
Good rider.
I don't know, good crew.
Just makes it worthwhile going, you know. I say it just makes it worthwhile going.
No, you definitely, yeah. But I was happy out with that, to be honest.
Whenever I was racing and there was prems, I'd always say, right, I'm going to win the first prem. And that means it was a tenner at the time.
Yeah.
So that means my money into the race is paid
Yeah,
back.
paid for it, yeah. And then when you're in the race, you get your petrol.
Yeah, there you go. I seen he came second in the TT the other week.
Yeah, he's going well. Man, Ian Inglis.
Yeah, he's a good rider. He's international, you know, so
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
get on his wheel. Get on his wheel. There you go. I'll get you dropped. Training already, eh?
Yeah, doing a bit with Johannes.
Good.
He was going to be entered with the PT bike, so
Great.
just trying to sit in behind him at 50k an hour and sit forward,
Yeah.
forward facing basically.
Yeah. Where is he on that now? Is he a TT coming up?
Yeah, he's doing them. I'd love to do it this weekend, but not a few more to do.
Just cornering on it, you know, it's difficult.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
push the ball. Well done, mate. Ronaldo, what?
Ah, two of them.
Hopefully. Might be turning in.